If you're planning to do your Christmas shopping online this year, you may well find yourself inundated with packaging. Most of us know that cardboard packaging can be recycled in the blue bin, but what bin should the polystyrene and bubble wrap go in? It's the green bin. Polystyrene and bubble wrap are some of the very few things that can't currently be recycled in the blue bin. Bubble wrap can be kept and reused in the future, as it's particularly handy for protecting fragile items when moving house or posting presents.